What's up, guys? This is Brent with 247parts.com, the best place online to get your John Deere parts. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the rear storage tray kit on a John Deere Z9 mower. Now, fairly simple process here on installing this. First thing that we need to do is get our tray mounted to our brackets here. Now, these brackets are what's going to mount to the back of the machine, and they are going to mount on to this tray using these screws right here that are going to use a number 4 Allen wrench along with these 10mm nuts here and these washers here. So we're going to need that number 4 Allen wrench and our 10mm socket on our cordless impact or just on a ratchet, whichever you have handy. So what we're going to do is take our tray, take our first bracket, and they are going to line up here with these outside holes. So whenever we go to mount these on, we are going to take a washer, put on each one of these screws, go in from the bottom side, go ahead and push that screw up and through just like that. While holding that in place, we'll go ahead and get a nut started on one, just like so. We can get that swung around, get our next screw and washer. That started up and through. Get that next nut started, and then we're just going to repeat the same thing on the other side and get these tightened up. Now, once we have the tray put together, what we're using are these 2 bolts here, one here and one here, and that tray is going to slide and mount its bottom hook onto the inside of this bolt. And then we're going to use this hole that is in the bracket and also here in the ROPS to mount the top half of that. So the first thing that we need to do is loosen up these 2 bolts here on either side that are holding up our fender. And this is going to take a 13mm socket and ratchet. Now, we don't need to take these all the way off. We just need to get them loosened up so that we can get that bracket to hook. Just like that on both sides. Now, the hooks that I'm talking about are going to be these hooks on either side of the bracket, and we just need to make sure that we have room in between here to get those mounted in. So we'll start here with one side. So what we're looking for is to have made that hook into this bolt right here to where it's now holding steady. And then our next step is to take our longer bolt and nut, and we are going to raise up on this storage tray, get it into place, take our bolt here, go in on the back side of our ROPS, through that hole coming out the front side, and then putting that nut into place. One there and one over here, just like so. Then our last step here is to go back and retighten up our screws over here, our bolts and nuts on the ROPS here, and the ones that are holding our bracket into place. So once again, breaking out that 13mm. And just like that, now you have a cargo tray, a storage compartment right here on the back of your machine. Now, the nice thing about this cargo tray is you are going to see these holes that are drilled all along the sides here. These are going to be great for bungee cords. So if you want to put a small ice chest back here, tools, maybe we're going to put a cargo net over the top to keep those things in, you now have that tray right there on board with you when you're mowing. And if this is something that you feel like you need for your John Deere Z9, part number for this is going to be BUC 10980, and you can get this along with any other John Deere parts at 247parts.com. So guys, I hope this video helped you out. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.